So, hello everyone. The name of the experiment is set operation, and the aim is to demonstrate the working of set operations in a database. So, set operations allow the results of multiple carriers to be combined as a single. They are single result set. The operators include union, union, intersect, minus, and except. So, we created the tables. As we can see, employee. This is not an employee. The table is dropped. So as you can see, this is the way. So and now we are going to give queries. So there is a little bit of differences here. For example, instead of ACC, we have ACE. So as we can see, we forgot to give company name. So this is how it works, and similarly we are going to do for all the commands. So since there is no in table company cname intersect, that is, it should be there in both ACC and also Tata. So since there is no company like that, it is not there. And the third one is minus command. So in minus command, what we have to do, what's going to happen is, if a data is present in A, it should not be present in B. If it is present in B, in that way. So as we can see, there is only in the given table, particularly there is only, it is only in Nagpur, not in any other place. And
what is saying? What is saying? Yeah.
so this is it. So the city is Nagpur. The name, employee name from employee where city is Nagpur, and company name from company where table company where city is Nagpur. So on in the table, since the table has a little bit of variations, we get Nagpur also. AC or even AC, we get AC. So this is how it works. Employee in Nagpur and company, that is it. So for the next command, the city should be Bombay and the salary should be greater than 1500. So the we here Suni Shankar has greater than 2000 and Sunil has 1700 of salary, and both are from Bombay. So this is how it works. And with this command, it will display the employees who live in Chennai and works for CMC. So Jaya lives in Chennai and works for CMC. So since in the given table there is no employee works in Nagpur with shift A, so there is no. So since there is no in the given table there is no employee with who works in Nagpur and works at shift A. So we don't. in ACE company, so we don't have it, the data here. Since there is no employee from since there is no employee working in ACE from at shift A in Nagpur, so we don't have it. So since there is no employee who works in Nagpur in ACE company at shift A, we don't have it. No rows are displayed here. And now with this command, it has to display the names of employees who live in Bombay and Nagpur. So Anil, Shankar and Sunil are working in Nagpur, in Bombay and Nagpur. So the next command. So here union E name of from EMP company. So this is it, and this is what happens if we type union operator. This is what happens if we use union all operator. And at this point it is asked, and the next query is we have to select the city where we have to select the people who lives in the same city of Sunil. So Sunil and Shekhar lives along with Sunil. So at this point so now the next question is we have to select the employee name where city is Nagpur, working in company ACC, and whose shift is A. So let's get. Since there is no employee who meets the criteria, so we done. It is displaying no rows are selected. So At this point, the next question is we have to display the employees who lives in Bombay, who live or Mumbai. Sorry, Nagpur. So Anil Shekhar and Sunil lives in Bombay. Are the three persons who met the criteria. So we saw the effect of union and union all before this, and we saw, and the last question is we have to at last we have to select the employees who are living in the same city where Sunil lives. So these are the people who live in the city. Similarly, the next question has to be for Ajay. So Ajay and Jaya lives in the same city where Ajay lives. So that's it. This is how the union set operators work. Set operations work. Thank you.